Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we are going to see the simple project that is called point of cell in Python. How to we are going to create with the help of Pycharm. If you want, you can execute the coding in anywhere like Jupyter or anywhere or Python ID, any ideally also. So caching system, all of you know, is a system that created in Python programming. What we can do is for beginners who want to learn in programming. So you have two features. Is first is ordering and last is the payment. So once everything completed, the user can uh, give the list based on the based on that order. It will print the payment mode. How much like that? At last they can exit from the environment also. Yeah, in the system also. Let's go for the program now. Very simple and easy. So this program, I'm going to create the Python class called Cashier System where I'm going to define the function where I'm going to give the variables like self A is equal to 0, by default R is equal to 0, receive is equal to 0, change is equal to 0, table is 0. So I'm giving the headline that is welcome to simple cashier system caching system. Then I'm going to write the continuous of the program like self.a is equal to R, then sub.r is equal to R and self.r receive and simultaneously I'm writing up to temp also. Now I'm writing another program. So another function called definition food self where I get to give the things what I'm going to mention in the cache system. At last it print. So I'm going to write Judas restaurant menu. I'm giving the name of Judas restaurant menu. Then I'm going to print the number of items like adobo, ilaga, pork chop, and so on and so on. So what are, if you want to make 4 5 whatever you want, you can based on the cache system you can plan point of cell system you can make. It's a simple one. So after writing I give the options input. So once execute everything over, the user or the user can enter whatever the option giving, based on that it will print the answer. So I'm writing the program where I'm continuing with while loop and writing c is equal to input int of input choose. Then if choice is 1, c is equal to 1, what will happen? It print in the quantity how much I'm going to give quantity. So I'm writing self.r is equal to self.r plus 30 multiplies d. That means suppose I'm giving 2 multiply 30 here by default. If I give 4, it will multiply 30. Similarly, if not the, suppose the user pressing the option 2, it will go again ask the quantity. Then you'll see if option you want, they can give similarly the give that the price of the things is more. So it may be 35 another one called 50. So at last fourth option, when you give 4 into 4 multiplies 40 will come, else it come total. So it's very important. So how many items you want to purchase? Suppose out of 4 you are entering 2 means the total 2 will be added and printed here. And I'm writing the condition here, print total. Then if self.r greater than 0, then what happen? Receive int input of input money received. So how much money it will show in the last when you press the options here. Now writing print change receive, then thank you come again come. So sales at last quite. If at all anything invalid commands, anything you done press wrong except these options, it is a wrong only invalid option. So I'm going to exit the program and I'm writing the definition main function where I'm writing a is equal to caching system because the program name given caching.py, and while of one I'm writing a.foods because this is for only cashier or point of sale program regarding foods only. Then I'm writing main. At last completing the program. So simple. Here in this program, we are just to create the class. After creating the class, we are writing the things whatever want here with the help of function. Whatever function you want define, then we are going to billing system simple manner with the help of simple functions and methods only, loop statements. At last, we are going to execute. So you can, if you want to execute, you can right click. So many options there. Right click and run the code. So we have sixth option for exit. So you can give. So once executed, the program successfully executed. So it's giving option. Whenever press option 1, it will ask the details. So I'm quantity. Suppose I'm giving it 2, it will be added automatically. Again, option giving 4, the price will be multiplied by 40 or 30 what I'm given. So I'm giving option of 4. Now we want to see the casting. So I can press 5. So when I press 5, it will print it here. Simple and easy. So total input is 220. So the input money received like that. So when I press 6, it will execute it. So if you want to go, you can check it out here. Yeah, process finished with a exit like that. So we can simply prepare find up scale with the help of Python. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And if you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.